Good morning everyone and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I wish everyone a great beginning of the week, and hopefully we will all make good profits with the Xtreme Trader team. Now, of course, I'm totally aware that you guys are used to have a deal of the day on Monday on the pound GBY. However, this pair right now is not showing any significant signal. So therefore, I'm not sure what to send about this deal. So therefore, pound JPY is going to be skipped for this week, and actually we will be focusing on the NZDCAD. NZDCAD is actually having a better setup, and actually it's a clear entry that I want to share with everyone. So right here, guys, based on the daily chart, let's first of all talk about our take profit level, because most likely we will be selling the NZDCAD. Now, I want to highlight this level of a support right here exactly as 0.82621. As you can see, this was indeed a real level of a support. It was actually a key support level that has become already a resistance for once, twice, and then a fake breakout. Then again, the count began from the first attempt, because right after the fake breakout, we count the resistance attempts again from the beginning. So attempt number 1, 2, a fake breakout, then attempt of a resistance number 1 and 2 again. Now pay attention, the same level of a real resistance has already become right here a support as well. Now we can see a very strong bearish movement happening on the NZDCAD. The market has actually made a fake breakout from this level of a resistance right here as 0.83265, and as you can see, the bearish candle on daily chart has actually closed below this level of a resistance, which means the market right now is going toward this level of a support again. This right here was support number 1, and the market will continue falling till it reaches the support number 2 and creates it. Now, that means that we have to consider selling the NZDCAD until it reaches this level of a support as well. Now, let's move to the 4-hour time frame. So we have already determined our take profit level. Let's now talk about the entry. Now pay attention. For a starter, we are having right here, of course, a real level of a support trend line, as you can see. Support trend line number 1, number 2, and 3, and finally the bearish breakout from this level. So that means that since we're actually right now on a support level, the market actually on Friday night has closed on this level of a support at 0.83142. It means that we can expect a pullback to happen, and if that happens, of course, we can expect here to sell the NZDCAD right here on the new attempt of a resistance trend line. Another way to confirm this entry will be actually by moving back to the daily chart, and let me just squeeze this chart a little bit, just like that, so everything will be clear. Now what we will do is simply draw here a resistance trend line from this lower high all the way to this higher low, just like that. Now look at that, we're having here resistance trend line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep in mind, I'm actually on the daily chart, so we're having here 9 attempts over the last 9 days, creating here a resistance trend line. Then we had right here the fake breakout from that level. As you can see, the market has actually failed to create a single attempt of support trend line. It was only ranging on this level, but eventually what we're having right here, the final pattern is actually a bullish breakout ended up with another bearish breakout candle, so meaning we're having a fake breakout. So therefore we can expect a pullback to happen, and this level of a real resistance trend line will most likely gonna be respected. So therefore, moving back to the 4-hour time frame, if we look carefully right here, we're having here a strong level of a real resistance, as we can see exactly as 0.83417. I would highly recommend to sell the NZDCAD exactly right on this level of the resistance. That means that we have to wait for the market to rise to another 28 pips before we can sell this pair. So that means that we can actually expect on Monday to make at least 78 pips profit from this signal, and the stop loss that will actually be half of that. The stop loss will be placed just a little bit above this level of a nearest resistance as 0.83613. That means that our stop loss will be 30 or actually 40 pips against 78 pips of profit. Let me now please write the signal for you. So there goes your deal, my friends, for Monday. Hopefully it will be a good one, and hopefully we will make good profits with it. Of course, in the end, don't forget to join the free group of Telegram to receive any updates or notifications about this signal. If I have noticed any price action going against our direction, I will update you directly personally from me on this group here on Telegram to close this signal right now before it reaches the stop loss, and vice versa. Maybe I will tell you to close it right now in profit before it reaches the take profit level if I have noticed any price action in that changes the entire direction. And again, don't forget, my friends, that you are actually responsible for this signal. Signal is just a signal, and you are responsible to how you are manage your funds with this signal. So be careful and wise, and just remember, just because it came from Xtreme Trader doesn't mean at all that it will be 100% profitable. It actually might fail, it might run in loss. For that, please always be prepared. And of course, don't forget that you can join the free group of Telegram. The link is provided in the description below of this video. So until then, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.